She's right there.
Yep.
Can I come look at your children's? Hi.
You're gonna do a Three Stooges with that ladder.
Oh, look at their feathers. Oh! Hi. Oh, no! Don't upset the babies. Oh, their feathers are so cute. Oh, she's right there. Okay. You know, you should have built a bigger nest. They don't even fit in there now.
See, like at the back of your head.
Huh?
She hit you right on top of the head.
Yeah, I know. I can fit. I got to see them. Success.
Look at Hershey. Hershey's gonna.
What you building on a ladder for? It's a people ladder.
Hershey's trying to save you.
Come on, guys.
Yeah.
Did you get that? Let me see.
No, I didn't get that.
No, the whole thing up
Yeah.
there.